Oh my gosh, that's so dirty. Alright, so you guys may know by now that the 300 is going into the shop literally tomorrow. So I need to make sure I can do something. Alright, that was like the most broad thing I've ever said. I need to make sure that the 300 can drive around. So we're gonna go ahead and drive around the block, see if it's good, because I might have to drive that car an hour away with literally this much clutch that goes out whenever it feels like it. So we gotta get this car far away out of in front of it. Stay, do not move. Ooh, that trim though. All right, I have not driven this car in about a week and a half. Yes, before you say anything, all this, it's gonna go, don't worry. And my interior, also gotta put that back together. I'm not gonna show you any of this, to be honest. I'm just gonna show you me attempting to drive around, because this might take a little bit of time and you're here for the catch can, but we gotta do this first. We just have to stick along, boys, stick along. And I'm sorry that I'm talking really quick and I'm just kind of everywhere right now, but we gotta get things done. I love this car, I really do. All right, boys, well, will we survive? Why is this seatbelt like so loose? Barely any clutch pedal, but still goes into gear, thankfully. Oh gosh. And the reason, look at that, my biting point is literally as soon as I let go of the clutch. That's insane. I literally can't stop. If I stop, I feel like it's just not gonna want to go into gear. Yeah, it feels good driving this car though. It really does. Oh God. Oh, it went into gear. Yes. All right, we're gonna go around. Is it gonna go into gear? Oh my God. Oh, it went into gear. It's like it has like no life left. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. People are staring at me weird. The truth, is it gonna go into gear? Oh my gosh, do you guys see how hard I have to push for the car to go into gear? Is there anything coming? Second gear. It's barely going though. Yo, these kids are like jumping off the bridge. Can you see them over there? Into the water, bro. Is that even legal? Drive is over. I don't want to risk it. Not bad though. Pretty proud of her. So I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna do. Obviously, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm probably most likely gonna vlog tomorrow on what I end up doing, if I drive it, if I tow it. So yeah, let's get back to today's video, because I really want to show you guys the catch cans, because it's something I've been even wanting to look at for the longest time. All right, we gotta turn this off because it's hot. And it's okay. I am making this video because about, like, I would say 4 or 5 months ago, I made a video of installing these catch cans for my 370Z, and the video did great. Go ahead and watch it if you haven't already. So today we're gonna find out, do the catch cans really work, and do I still, after owning the car with them for about 4 months, would I still recommend them? So first things first, what is a catch can? I do go much more into depth as to what the old catch cans do and why every VQ needs them on my previous video, but this is what all catch cans do in a very broad and general way. Basically reduces the amount of oil vapor recirculated into the intake of the engine, which as you can see goes from here, recirculates, and doesn't allow it to get up here. So have I personally noticed a huge difference when installing catch cans compared to before I had the catch cans? No, I haven't. But did I notice some difference? I know you guys are gonna find it weird, and you can go ahead and watch back that video and you're gonna see my reaction. But when I installed the catch cans, some miracle happened and my car started popping louder. It just felt a lot more linear and just cleaner. I don't know if it's just me or I don't know, but I did notice a slight difference. Wasn't huge, but I did notice a difference. So to remove the catch cans, you actually need an Allen key. Same thing to install them. You gotta Allen key it right here into this bracket. You gotta untwist it from the bottom, and then you can just drain it out. There we go. Oh, there you go. Easily enough. I just unscrew it. I'm gonna put this little rag down here so I can set this on top of it. Ooh, we actually got something. You can't really see, but okay. We're gonna go ahead and get a water bottle, pour this inside so we can actually see it. It's actually so cool because it's like a little experiment. Oh my gosh, that's so dirty. Holy crap. It's not that much residue, especially since I've had the catch cans on for about, I would say, 2,000 miles. You're supposed to change them every 1,000. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't have to be every 1,000, but wow. Low-key, I'm kind of happy there's not too much oil because this might mean that your piston rings are kind of worn. Let me know if I'm wrong on that or correct. Please correct me if I'm wrong. All right, now for the second catch can. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? All right, just took out the second catch can and I realized it has much more. I mean, I don't think you can see in there. That's what we're gonna pour in here, but like twice as much. Look at that. Wow. So me saying that the catch can worked and made the car feel a little bit different, it's kind of I don't know. A lot of people were not gonna believe me, but wow. Now you can definitely believe this. Look at that. So do catch cans work for a VQ? Absolutely. Is it super necessary? It does help your engine out, but if you don't have $300 to $400 to drop on catch cans, don't worry, your car's probably still gonna last just as long as mine, because I mean, like 2,000 miles and it says it should fill them up, and this is how much I got out of it. So although it's great that it is cleaning the engine, I mean, I could leave these catch cans on for I think like 2 years, and then the catch cans are actually gonna be filled. But it is super cool to like seeing. Oh, look at that. Should I? To be honest with you boys, my favorite part about having the catch cans is how they look on the engine bay. I mean, look at that. It just looks really clean. Like, I don't know, you don't see every VQ with this, so when you pop up the hood and that's just there, I mean, it gives a lot more presence. Alright, with that said, I'm gonna end today's video, boys. I gotta get inside, edit this video, and wake up tomorrow early. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was a lot of fun to see what came out of the catch cans. I hope you guys learned as much as I did. At least something came out of the catch cans, and they actually work, and they're not just for like engine bay dress up. Smash that like button. Share it with your friends if they want to see if they want to buy a catch can or not, or if they just want to learn more about them. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm so tired, I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, actually, I gotta edit this vlog, like I said. Peace out, guys. Be safe.